Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert MSN email to Outlook. Search on Google Recovery Tools Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Select IMAP. Enter MSN credential. Advanced mode, when you are facing login issue. Enter IMAP host details.
Chat files.
Click on PST. Select language. Select destination folder.
Trail version limitation. Buy or activate product license here.
Saving log. Open destination folder for output. Converted PST file. Click on File. Click on Open and Export. Click on Open Outlook data file. Select PST file. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.